The router is my favourite handheld spinning death machine, but figuring out where and how to put it down when you've got a big bit in or a bushing on it is kind of annoying. I've got your Woodchip Tip for that. If you've got a big bit or a guide bushing on your router, you can't put it down on your bench upright or it'll risk tipping. Flipping it upright can be super annoying, particularly if you've got one of those very annoying dust hoses in the way. So what's the solution? Make yourself a little router caddy like this. Making one of these is super easy. Start with a piece of plywood or MDF at least the size of your router base, if not a little bit bigger. I'd make it at least 25mm thick, so this is a good chance to laminate up some of those thinner, smaller scraps. For the bit or guide to fit in, we need to cut out a V section. You can drill out a circle with a large Forstner bit first, then connect the points with a jigsaw or bandsaw. Optionally, you could add a heavy roundover and chamfer and even add some rubber mat material or crubber to the underside, but it isn't really needed. Leave it on the bench and then the router can slot into it when it's not in use. A home for every tool, and this tool just happens to have a bit of a camper van.